Hi everyone, assalamu alaikum, it's Farzeen and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a new video and this is the start of a new series on my channel. It's called the scrap series. That is to use up your scraps. So we'll be using up our scraps that we have in our stash and that we have for a while now and we want to use them. In this series, I am going to share some ideas on how you can use up your scraps and what you can make. I hope this series will inspire you to make something of your own and at the same time enjoy doing it. So let's start this series and we'll make lots of projects together. Today's video is all about a baby girl memory box. It's a mini memory box that we are going to be making using up our scraps, of course, and this whole series is going to be about tutorials and stuff. I will be doing several tutorials, so keep an eye out for that. So I hope you guys will enjoy this series and will support me by subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to like and share. Make sure you comment because I love reading your comments. And yeah, that's about it. Without further talking, let's jump right into the tutorial. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to make the booklet inserts that are going to go inside the box. Here are the measurements for the first booklet. So you're going to need a piece that measures 6.5 by 4 1/4 and another piece that measures 7 by 4 1/4 inches. So you're going to need two of those to make that accordion booklet. So score them at 3 1/4 and the other one at 1/2 inch and then at 3 1/4, and you'll have something like that. I'm using tape to put them together, but you can always use your glue. So here is how you're going to put it. It'll make an accordion fold. So here is how you're going to do it. And we're done with the first booklet. Here is the accordion booklet that is going to go inside the box. So now let's move on to the next booklet. So this one is really simple. You're going to need a piece that measures 6.5 by 4 1/4, score at 3 1/4 inches, and you'll have something like a card. Just fold it up and we are done with the second booklet here. Now for the third one, you're going to need 3 pieces. So 2 pieces that measure 4 3/4 by 3/4 inches. You're going to score these two 1/2 inch on the top, on the 4 3/4 inch side. Just score them on the top. You'll have a 1/2 inch, and I'm using tape again. You can always use your glue. And we're going to put these two on the other piece that we're going to fold up. I'll show you that in a minute. So you're going to need a piece that measures again 6.5 by 4 1/4. Just score this at 3 1/4 inches. And we're going to put the other 2 pieces on each side of this card thingy. So one on this side and the other will go on the back side, just like that. And here we have this flip-flap booklet. You can add 4 by 3 pictures straight on without cropping on all these booklets. And now to make the box, here are the measurements. Just note them down or just take a screenshot. So once you have a paper that measures the same length, what you are going to do is you're going to score on 4 sides. So 1 inch on 2 sides. Here this is 1 inch and 1 inch on the other side, and here you're going to score 4.5 on both sides. And then what you need to do is just cut an angle on the score lines, on the bending lines that you'll have after scoring, and make sure you bend everything really nicely. And when to put it together, you'll just have to glue it down like this, and you have your box. So I'm using glue for this part, but you can always use your double-sided tape as well, but glue just gives you a little more time to adjust everything, so that's why I'm using glue here. And just like that, you're going to put them all together, and it's really easy and comes together really quickly and nicely, and you have your box ready in no time. And we are done with the box. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make the lid for this. So here are the measurements for the lid. This is the piece you're going to need to make the lid for the box. After bending the score lines, I'm going to cut these score lines right here. Make sure you just touch the bending line there in the middle, so it'll fold up like that. So here I have mine all cut up. You're going to do yours just like this, and it'll be really easy from here on. Just bend it like that and you'll have the lid. So just glue the sides down, and you're ready to use this as a cover for your box that you made earlier. Here are some of the scraps that I'm going to use to cover everything up. These are some of the scraps from a baby girl collection I had from Recollection, and I'm going to use these. And along with these, I'm going to use these stickers that I printed out myself. I just mounted them on cardstock and cut them out. So if I do have these sticker sheets available, if you want these sticker sheets, here are how they look like. I have a bunch of these. So if you want these digital printables, just DM me on Instagram and I'll just have them sent to you. These printable sticker sheets come in really handy, and they're really functional and easy to use. Just print them out and you can use them whenever you want. So it's hard to find good stickers, so I just use those. I always prefer these. So here is how I'm using these scraps. These scraps measure 4 by 3 inches, so you'll have a pretty wide border around every booklet. And here I'm putting them all down. Here is the first one. Here I use the sticker. Look how adorable these stickers look. Here we have the second one, and they look so adorable. They're so pretty and so baby girl like. This project turned out super good. It turned out more beautiful than I expected it to, but it looks really nice and beautiful. Here is the third one. I covered both sides on this one, and here you have all 3 of them. These all 3 will go inside the box, and you'll be able to save a few memories in this for your baby girl, or even you can use this even for yourself. You can make this of any theme you want. So here I'm matted down the box as well, just like that. And I really enjoyed making this memory box, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as well. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to share. Make sure you comment down in the comment section as well. I love reading your comments. And other than that, if you want custom orders, I am taking custom orders even for Eid. So DM me on Instagram and we can discuss the details there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.